Breastfeeding at night script. Nighttime breastfeeding helps babies feel calm and secure. Breast milk at night contains special hormones that help babies sleep better. These quiet moments strengthen the bond between mother and child and help babies feel safe even in the darkness. 8. Cultural appreciation script. Across cultures and generations, breastfeeding has been a symbol of motherhood and care. It connects modern mothers with traditions passed down through families. Breastfeeding honors the wisdom of nature and the strength of women everywhere. 9. Health and economy script. Breastfeeding is not only healthy but also economical. It requires no preparation, no packaging, and no extra cost. Breastfeeding saves families money while ensuring babies receive the highest quality nutrition available. 10. Encouragement script. Every mother's breastfeeding journey is unique. There is no perfect way, only what works best for mothers.